We were sort of in on the ground floor of recording when I was a music student and getting out of Juilliard and Columbia. I davened, I prayed in a synagogue in Brooklyn, which is known as the Modzitz Shtibel, Modzitz, Modzitz. The Modzitz Shtibel is not, Modzitz Hasidim are not a very, very large Hasidic group. Their claim to fame is three great musical rabbis, beginning with Rabbi Israel of Modzitz, Rabbi Saul Taub of Modzitz, and Rabbi Shmuel Eliyahu of, who together probably composed more than 2,000 Nigunim, many of which have become part of the world Jewish repertoire. And their musical secretary and their singer par excellence was Ben Sion Schenker, who we worked closely together, and we put out a number of recordings called Modzitzer Favorites. As a matter of fact, I was in Israel last year in the Mann Auditorium when they put on a concert of Modzitz. 3,000 people in the audience, secular, religious, what have you. And full, Helfgott was there also, and C.N. Miller. And they, orchestra, large chorus, philharmonic. And I noticed that the 3,000 people, everybody was singing every one of the songs that they played, you know. And I turned to my wife and I said, you know, very, very softly, you know, we recorded every one of these songs in the early 1960s, and they became part and parcel of what Jews sing all over.